Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com, here with another kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. Inside of our Fly Racing Helmet Garage, we've got another stunning graphic from our good friends at Shoei Helmets. This is the all-new Shoei X15 DeGiro TC1 graphic. Retail on this helmet, as the time we're shooting this video, is $10.99. There's a lot going on here. Try and give you guys a nice 360. I installed one of my dark smoke screens on this helmet for effect. It's going to ship with a clear screen. Got a couple of value adds that we're going to go over too. I've got an X15, ridden in it for a couple of seasons. Love this helmet. Highly recommend it. It's going to ship with a clear shield, Shoei helmet bag. We've got a chin curtain, breadth deflectors, Pinlock Evo fog-free insert, also all included with the helmet. You know, if you've watched my helmet videos over the years, I've always said that last little bit of quality, right? Shoei wins there compared to all the premium manufacturers. I realize this is just packaging. You should only get so excited about it, but look at what they've done to make sure this helmet makes it to the end user intact, right? They built an EPS to protect the helmet while it's inside the box. That, my friend, is the Shoei difference.